Welcome to our comprehensive guide on legal and compliance. This video is designed to help you navigate critical aspects of legal and compliance matters in professional settings. We'll dive into the core principles that form the foundation of legal frameworks and compliance requirements. Understanding these essentials is crucial for anyone working in law, corporate roles, or any regulated industry. Our goal is to provide clear, actionable insights that empower you to operate within legal boundaries and uphold ethical standards. In today's rapidly evolving business environment, staying compliant not only avoids legal pitfalls, but also helps maintain your organization's integrity and reputation. Throughout this video, we'll break down complex topics into manageable sections, making it easier to grasp key issues and apply this knowledge in real-world scenarios. Each segment is structured to build your understanding step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid grasp of key concepts and be better prepared to tackle legal and compliance challenges in your professional life. Let's get started on this important journey. Let's begin by identifying common legal challenges that professionals and businesses often face. From compliance violations to complex lawsuits, these issues can have far-reaching impacts. Both large corporations and small businesses encounter myriad regulatory hurdles. Navigating these waters is essential, but not straightforward. Non-compliance can lead to substantial penalties and damage to an organization's reputation. Recognizing these challenges is the first step towards mitigating potential legal threats before they escalate. Legal issues permeate every aspect of business operations, influencing daily decisions and strategic planning. Understanding the legal landscape equips professionals to make informed choices that align with legal obligations and business objectives. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into specific compliance requirements and strategies to overcome these hurdles in the coming segments. Addressing these challenges is pivotal in safeguarding your business's future. Compliance is a fundamental concept that underpins the integrity and reputation of any organization. So, what is compliance? In essence, it means adhering to laws, regulations, and guidelines set by regulatory bodies. For businesses, compliance isn't just about following rules, it's about committing to ethical standards that govern their operations. Organizations that neglect compliance face severe consequences, including legal penalties, financial losses, and reputational damage. Adhering to regulations is crucial, not only for legal protection, but also for building trust with stakeholders and maintaining a fair business environment. We'll explore how understanding and adhering to these standards play a critical role in a company's success. The next time you hear compliance, think of it as the cornerstone of organizational integrity and accountability. We'll navigate the complexities of the regulatory landscape, uncover essential compliance programs, and share practical strategies for managing legal risks. Join us as we uncover the critical aspects of legal and compliance that keep our professional environments secure and trustworthy. Navigating the regulatory landscape can be complex, but understanding it is crucial for any professional in the legal and compliance fields. Let's start by examining key regulatory bodies that govern various sectors. Organizations like the SEC, FDA, and EPA play pivotal roles in enforcing regulations that ensure market transparency, public health, and environmental protection. Knowing the scope and jurisdiction of these bodies is fundamental. We'll also delve into essential regulations every business needs to be aware of. For example, the Sarbanes-Oxley Act dictates financial reporting standards to prevent corporate fraud, while GDPR oversees data protection and privacy in the digital age. These regulations safeguard public interest and set a benchmark for corporate responsibility. Understanding these complexities helps professionals navigate their obligations and uphold organizational integrity. We'll see how these regulatory frameworks form the foundation for developing effective compliance programs, ensuring organizations stay aligned with legal requirements and ethical standards. With this overview, let's transition to understanding how to build and implement robust compliance programs that withstand regulatory scrutiny. An effective compliance program is essential for any organization. It ensures adherence to laws and regulations and promotes a culture of integrity and accountability. The cornerstone of a robust compliance program consists of several key components. First, Establish clear policies and procedures that outline acceptable practices and legal requirements. This foundation sets the tone for the entire organization. Second, regular and comprehensive training sessions ensure all employees understand their responsibilities and the importance of compliance. Third, effective monitoring and auditing systems help detect potential issues before they escalate, ensuring continuous adherence to compliance standards. Finally, continuous improvement is vital. Regularly reviewing and updating your compliance program keeps it relevant and effective amid evolving regulations and business practices. Begin with a risk assessment to identify areas vulnerable to noncompliance. Develop targeted policies and training programs to address these risks. Use technology to assist with monitoring and document all efforts for accountability. As we move forward, you'll see how managing legal risks complements your compliance efforts, enhancing organizational resilience. Identifying and managing legal risks is crucial for maintaining organizational integrity and viability. Start by identifying potential legal risks, including gaps in compliance, litigation vulnerabilities, and evolving regulatory requirements. Once these risks are identified, implement strategies to mitigate them effectively through robust policies, continuous monitoring, and regular audits. Investing in legal risk management protects the organization from significant liabilities and builds a foundation of trust and reliability. Proactive risk management is key to navigating the complex legal landscape successfully. Now, let's explore some practical approaches you can apply within your legal risk management framework. These techniques can be tailored to suit various organizational needs and scenarios. Let's look at real-world examples of successful compliance programs and the lessons we can learn from them. Compliance is not just about following rules. It's about fostering a culture of integrity within an organization. These case studies highlight companies that have not only met regulatory requirements, but turned compliance into a strategic advantage. For instance, a multinational firm revamped its entire compliance framework, significantly reducing breaches and enhancing its corporate reputation. Another company implemented extensive employee training and automated compliance monitoring, streamlining processes and reducing risks. These examples underscore the importance of a proactive approach to compliance. Effective programs are comprehensive and integrated into every aspect of the business. These case studies teach us valuable lessons: the need for continuous improvement, the power of employee engagement, and the role of technology in maintaining compliance. As we move forward, you'll learn more about applying these lessons to create robust compliance strategies in your organization. In the evolving world of legal and compliance, having the right tools and resources is essential for effective management. Various solutions can help streamline compliance tasks and ensure you're always up to date with regulations. Compliance management software is invaluable. These platforms offer a centralized location to track all compliance activities, manage documentation, and generate reports with ease. They reduce the risk of noncompliance by automating routine tasks and providing real-time updates on regulatory changes. Access to comprehensive legal databases and regulatory libraries keeps you informed about the latest laws and regulations pertinent to your industry. They often include features like alerts and newsletters to ensure you never miss a critical update. Training and certification programs equip your team with the knowledge and skills needed to maintain compliance and understand non-compliance implications. Regular training ensures everyone is on the same page, reducing the risk of accidental violations. As we move forward, you'll see how these tools and resources fit into the broader compliance strategy, ensuring your organization stays compliant and thrives in a complex regulatory environment. As we bring our journey to a close, it's crucial to acknowledge the dynamic nature of the legal and compliance landscape. Emerging trends like the growth of data protection regulations and the increasing use of artificial intelligence are reshaping the field. The future presents both challenges and opportunities. Legal professionals must stay ahead of evolving regulations and adapt to new technologies. Compliance now requires a proactive approach to risk management. Staying informed and prepared for changes is key to navigating the uncertainties ahead. Let's embrace these opportunities to innovate and enhance our compliance strategies. The path may be complex, but with diligence and foresight, we can turn future challenges into opportunities for growth and resilience. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive exploration. In our final segment, we'll summarize the key takeaways and the essential role of legal and compliance in today's professional environments. To wrap up, let's summarize the key points we've discussed and the importance of legal and compliance in professional settings. First, we explored the critical aspects of legal and compliance matters, emphasizing their relevance in today's professional world. Next, we identified common legal challenges faced by professionals and businesses, along with the significant impact of compliance violations. We then defined compliance, discussing the necessity of adhering to laws, regulations, and guidelines to maintain organizational integrity. Our journey through the regulatory landscape revealed key regulatory bodies and the essential regulations they enforce. We examined how to build and implement effective compliance programs, outlining crucial components and steps. The strategies for identifying and managing legal risks provided a roadmap for mitigating potential issues. Real-world case studies offered valuable lessons on successful compliance practices, while our exploration of available tools and resources highlighted ways to manage compliance efficiently. Finally, we looked ahead to future trends and challenges in the legal and compliance fields, preparing us for what lies ahead. In conclusion, understanding and implementing sound legal and compliance practices are indispensable for any professional setting, ensuring safety, integrity, and success. Thank you for joining us.